Alrighty, welcome back to Weenie Trades. So I'm going to be giving a quick Friday recap, and I'm going to be talking about my 1 minute workday. My 1 minute workday in trading, and it was off an Amazon volatile scalp. So Tesla, I'm going to be talking about that a little bit, and then also Netflix. So let's get right into it. Amazon. I really trust my levels. Amazon was coming. I was looking at Amazon and I thought, Amazon's right here. If we get a dip or a spike of 3,500 and then a reclaim, I really like that for a long trade. And I was looking at the options chain. I was like, man, if I nail my level with this good opening volatility, I can really make some good money very fast. And so what I did was, here we go. We get a nice good spike through 500. We reclaim it. Boom. I buy an Amazon call option. It was a pretty volatile one. It was same day expiration, 3,500 strike, just one contract. And boom, that netted $385 in about 1 minute because I bought right there. And then as we started to double top on the level 2, boom, came out right there. As soon as, and with this type of trade too, I've got to have a stop below this wick. And boy, that would have been a really big hit. Even if that would have hit, that would have been probably about minus $500. So the risk to reward maybe wasn't there, but I got a really good scalp and locked in the profits just to have a nice good 1 minute workday on Friday. Let's talk about Tesla. Tesla, I said pre-market. I need more data. People are asking me, are you bullish or bearish Tesla? I was like, I don't like how it's selling off this far. I mean, there's not a lot of support nearby. I was looking down at 650 and stuff. I said, let me just wait for the open and see what happens. And boy, am I glad I did that. I didn't really take any trades on Tesla. I actually did, for a total of minus $4. I guess I got stopped out of one short trade. Can you believe it? I was trying to short Tesla today. But nice good pull up. Pull back, nice good bull pullback. I said Tesla 669 looks like a really good entry. Again, not financial advice. I'm not telling anybody where to buy or where to sell, but technically wise, that looks like a really good, perfect weenie setup with a stop loss just beneath that previous wick. Now a little bit of an increase in volume and boom, nice steady uptrend all day. This is one of the easy ones to hold because it just went vertical. Tesla just went for it and it was just really fun to see. I was calling out different levels like 687, and 687 was a little bit of resistance, barely. It pulled back. I was like, I'm going for more. This is a very outsized move. So if Tesla is to revert back to the mean, we might see it at 700 by the close. Maybe if it gets another squeeze, great. But Tesla, really good moves. Flag pops right here. They're lower highs, higher lows. That was a really clean setup. Even though, I don't always go off of patterns, but boy, some of these patterns are just beautiful on Tesla. And then right here on Tesla at about 713, 712, I was like, Tesla looks a little bit top heavy. Remember, right here, we're trending up. Right there, we start to go vertical. I mean, arguably this is vertical, but another vertical into a resistance. Where does this red line represent? This is kind of this general area. I didn't think Tesla was going to get much farther than 690. But as it really had the momentum, the short squeeze continued. Then we once we saw that this shenanigans wick, I'm like, false breakout. That's usually a really good short setup. And it's scary to short Tesla up there, but that was the right move because that got paid just as nicely as some of these run ups. So really good ways to trade Tesla on both sides. I took a short trade, right about there. And then took profits down there. little one. Can you believe I was shorting Tesla? And then I also took another short trade. I think it was like right over here during this equilibrium. Shorted up there, but then it's the stop loss hit. And so net minus $4 on Tesla. Let's quickly talk about Netflix. I noticed the relative strength on Netflix, NFLX. And, today, we had a nice good ascending triangle pattern right here. Just a textbook one. Higher lows, flat top resistance. Boom, we break out. I buy Netflix. Unfortunately, I tagged my stop for break even because I got to 1R, but that wasn't really the move. But I still had the second half. I only tagged out a half and was able to get out some Netflix at 513. Now it's us pressing these highs. I wonder if I bet Netflix has a little bit of a run into the end of the day as long as the stocks are nice and strong. But yeah, nice to get a little Friday green day. Erases 2 days of red days. So I'll take it. And thanks for tuning in. Be sure to tune in for the release of the options course. No pressure if you don't want to get it, but see what other weenies have to say. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.